how to delete Microsoft account permanently. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Microsoft account permanently. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. First, head over to your browser. Then, in the search bar, you need to type account.microsoft.com. This will take you to the Microsoft account. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now that you are here, you need to simply go ahead and click on your profile icon located in the top right corner of your screen. And from here, you need to go and click on My Microsoft Account. Once you are here, you can see an option that says Close Account. You need to simply go ahead and click on this. This will give you an instructions about how to close your Microsoft account. Now, if you are sure that you want to close your account, you need to simply go ahead and click on Close Account again. Once you do that, this will send you a code. In order to verify it's you, you need to simply go ahead and click on Send a Code. This is the code that has been sent to me. You need to simply go ahead and copy the code. And then you need to enter the code over here. And if you are sure that you want to close your account, you need to simply go ahead and click on Next. And from here, you need to simply go ahead and check on all the boxes over here. Make sure to read everything carefully before you make your decision. Now that you have checked all the boxes, you need to simply go ahead and select the reason, and from here you need to go ahead and click on Mark Account for Closure. And that's it. You now know how to permanently delete your Microsoft account. If you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.